Hey y'all, welcome back to another Rescue Box recap. My name is Christina if you're new here, and I'm a part-time reseller on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and The RealReal. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Today we are going to recap a rescue box that's one of my favorites, and that is the thredUP Fun Box. Now, I know some of y'all love the fun boxes like I do, and some of y'all are kind of meh on them because maybe you've not had the best experience. And I get it because listen, I've had some amazing fun boxes, and then I've also had some that have not been great at all. So when I do these recaps, I do just try to randomly pick, a box that I've done about 3 months ago and go over what I have sold and let you guys know. Like, did I lose money? Did I make money? I don't want to just show you guys the best boxes because that's not real. So anyways, today we are going to recap one that I opened about 3 months ago. If you haven't watched this unboxing, I will make sure to link it above so you can go back and watch it. This one came to me from Suwanee, Georgia. Now, the rescue boxes, the fun boxes from thredUP are $34, and you get 10 miscellaneous items. You do have to pay shipping and tax now. Now, when I had ordered this box, even though I only opened it 3 months ago, I had ordered it before they made those changes. And so I used a credit on this, and I had free shipping. So it was a little bit cheaper. For me, it's a little more palatable to get the fun boxes and take the risk on them when you didn't have to pay the shipping on it. It's a little bit harder now to make your money back depending on how good your box is, now that they end up being basically almost $50. So anyways, we'll go through this one. I will let you know all the items that I got, what I did with them, whether I listed them, donated, kept, and what they've sold for, if they've sold, and how much total profit or loss I have made on this box. So let's get into it. Okay, the first item that was in this box, and by the way, this box was themed. It was a black and white colored themed box. So every item in here was either black or white or black and white. And I love when the fun boxes are themed. I think it just makes it extra fun. And so I get like really excited when they have a theme to them, which is kind of nerdy, but it's okay. Welcome. All right, the first item that was in this box was a visor. And y'all, I realized when I opened this box and I got this visor, it was by Adidas. It's, of course, black and white and in great condition. Not new with tags, but I do think in new condition. Y'all, I realized I've never put a visor on my head before. So I did try it on. I felt really weird about it because I do a lot of headbands, but I don't know. So anyway, I feel like people look really cool in visors, but I don't think they're for me. So this one I feel like people who play tennis wear visors, right? Anyway, I do have this one listed. It has not sold. I have it listed in my closet for $12. If any subscribers out there are interested in purchasing this from me directly, I will sell that one for $4. If you decide you want to purchase something, you just need to send an email to me at stinaresells@gmail.com, and I can invoice you through PayPal and sell to you directly. So for the purposes of this video, that's a 0. It has not sold yet. And if I do have the item listed or I've sold it, I will put a picture up on the screen so you can see it. Just note, there's several items in this box that I did not list, and so I'll just have to describe it to you. Or, like I said, you can go back and watch the unboxing and see it as I'm pulling it out of the box. Okay, the second item that was in the box, and I loved this one, was a New With Tags swimsuit by Bar3, which is a Macy's house brand. And this is in a size medium. I love this swimsuit. I really wish it was my size because I would totally wear this. But it's kind of like an animal print, like a black and white, almost like a zebra, but not quite zebra print. And then it's got some pale pink accents throughout, which, I mean, I live for that. So that was great. It's got a tummy toner in it. I think I already said a size medium, New With Tags. I do have it listed, has not sold yet. So that's a 0. I do have it listed for $40. If any subscribers are interested in that, I would do that one for $8. And I do remember when I was opening this box, because it has the tags on it, it had the name of the suit, and I thought it was so cute. It was called On the Hunt, and I thought that was like adorable. So anyways, cutest suit. We are moving into summer season, so I'm sure it'll sell soon. The next item that was in the box was a pair of white sunglasses. Now, I still stick by my statement that I feel like it's a pretty fair toss-up whether you're going to get fashion sunglasses in this box or if you're going to get a branded sunglass. I have gotten both. I've gotten, of course, tons of unbranded sunglasses like these. I've gotten some kind of like mid-tier, like a Scott, an Ann Taylor, things like that, sunglasses. And then I've gotten, y'all, one time I got a pair of Chanel sunglasses, not even joking. So you never quite know what you're going to get in these boxes. These were unbranded. I am not against listing unbranded sunglasses. I have some in my closet. I usually try to bundle them together for a listing to try to make it worth it. This pair, however, had some issues. Not just that they are fashion sunglasses, but there was a big scratch on one of the lenses. And y'all, I tried them on in the video and they were crooked. So I just decided it wasn't worth it. Those went to the donation. So for the purposes of this video, those are a 0. Okay, the next item that was in the box was by the brand Conair, and this was a knitted head wrap. So you could wear it to bed or you could wear it in different styles in your hair. This one I did comps on. I also didn't really feel like it was valued high enough for me to go ahead and list it. And I didn't have anything else to just bundle that with. So I did end up donating that. So for the purposes of this video, that is a 0. Okay. The next item that was in the box was, for me, the big winner, and that was a sports bra by SheFit, and it was in a black. So again, everything was either black, white, or black and white. So it was super fun. This was a black sports bra, new with tags, and this is the kind that you can adjust. So it adjusts to your body and kind of what support you need when you're exercising. This did really well for me. It sold for me on eBay for $39. So yay, that paid for the box and actually it made me a little bit of a profit. So that item just by itself for me was the big winner. So yay. The next item that was in the box was a set of Nike wristbands, you know, like sweatbands that you wear on your wrist. They were also black and white. And I did comps on these. I, again, didn't really feel like they were valued high enough for me to list. And I didn't have any other like wristbands or anything to pair them with. And at the time, my younger son was playing basketball. And so I passed them along to him and he and his friends wore it during their basketball season. So they went to some good use, but for the purposes of this video, that was a 0. The next item that was in the box was a fashion black clutch, so unbranded. It was in good condition. It had an interior black and white stripe. It's the kind that has the fold over. You open it, unzip the top, and then it's kind of very long on the inside. It did come with a shoulder strap, which was awesome. And I honestly was back and forth about whether or not I should list this. I think in the end, I ended up including it in one of my subscriber giveaway boxes I did during my listing challenge. So if you were one of the ones that got that, I hope that you're enjoying it. But for the purposes of this video, that was a 0. Okay. The next item that was in the box was a pair of shoelaces. Okay. I have totally gotten shoelaces in these fun boxes before. I know off the top of my head, I have listed and sold one set, maybe more, but that I can think of. And that was a pair of Madewell tie-dye shoelaces. Now, these are new and these are branded by Soft Sole. And these are a waxed lace. So they go in more like a dress shoe or something like that. I did comp these out and they weren't worth me listing. So I still have them. I held on to them in case I need to maybe relace a shoe, whether it's for resale or for one of us here in this house. So I still have those. I'm keeping them. And so for the purposes of this video, that is a 0. Okay, the next item that was in the box was a belt, which I have gotten belts in these boxes before that have done really well. Again, kind of a toss-up if you're going to get a branded, unbranded, or possibly even leather belt. I have gotten some amazing belts in these boxes. This one was in good condition. It was new, but just a fashion belt that was zebra printed. So again, the black and white theme was staying strong. But that one I decided just to donate. I didn't feel like it was going to sell well by me listing it. So that one was also a 0. The next item that was in the box was by the brand Idawala. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. And this was a pair of over-the-knee socks. These were so cute. Again, black and white. They were black all the way up to the knee, and then the little part that goes over your knee had a little fold over with like white lace and these little buttons. These, I believe I also put in one of my subscriber mystery boxes, so I hope somebody out there either got them listed or is using them. So for the purposes of this video, that's a 0. The next item that was in the box was by Urban Outfitters, and this was a black and white beaded bag, like wooden beaded. Super cute mini bag, itty bitty, teeny tiny. I don't think a phone would fit in there. I was able to find the branding on the tag on the inside, and I have sold actually quite a few things from Urban Outfitters. It tends to do pretty well. This I included in one of my subscriber mystery box giveaways that I did during the listing challenge. So hopefully one of you guys was able to sell that and make some money. The next item that was in the box was a black and white checked oversized scarf by The Gap. Again, another thing that you're, may be branded, may not be branded. Get a lot of scarves in these fun boxes. I still stick by my statement that it's a toss-up. It's like a 50-50 on whether or not it's going to be branded. Now, just because it's branded doesn't mean it's going to be in good condition, because I've gotten like a Stitch Fix New with Tag scarf in a fun box, and it had a hole in it. I got a adorable Chico's like animal print scarf, hole in it. So just because it's branded doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be in good condition, even if it has tags on it. But this one it was not new with tags, but it was branded by The Gap. I do have that listed in my closet for $12. If anyone's interested in that one, I can do that one for $4. Okay, the last item that was in the box was a gift set, and this was by Stars Above. Stars Above isn't necessarily like the best brand that you're looking for in one of these boxes, but I don't have trouble selling it. And this one especially is so cute. It's a little gift set, and it includes a pair of black and white satin pajamas. It's a long sleeve, like button up top, and then a little pair of black and white shorts. And it comes with the matching like sleep mask. It's so cute. New in the gift box, perfect for a gift. I do have this listed for $25. And y'all, I did sell it. However, I sold it on eBay and I shipped it, and the person canceled the order. I did get it back. But that stunk. I was like, man. So I actually had completely forgotten that I had not relisted. Y'all, I'm the worst if I get a return about relisting on eBay. So anyways, it was still listed in my Poshmark when I was going through to do this recap, and then I realized I never relisted it on eBay, which is where it sold originally. So I have that relisted. I do have it listed for $25, which is about retail for that gift set. If anyone is interested in that, I would do that one for $8. So if we go back and look at, I got 13 items in this box. I only sold one doll, and that was that SheFit sports bra. And that already made me a profit on this box. I mean, that's why I love these boxes, and they're just so much fun to open. I will be opening another one this Thursday for our Thread Up Thursday, so make sure to join me then. Tomorrow I will be back, y'all, with more jewelry. We've got a jewelry day tomorrow. I am going to be opening a Goodwill Blue Box, the 5-pound repurposed box. So make sure you join me tomorrow for that. And then I'm giving y'all a lot this week. Okay, we're going to have a 4th video this weekend. I'm going to be part of a shoe collab. And I think there's 13 channels participating in this one. It's about different ways to source shoes and things like that. So not all the videos are going to be exactly the same. Maybe somebody sourced shoes from the bins. I know that somebody's opening an America's Thrift Supply shoebox. I will be opening a ThredUp shoebox that I got somewhat recently. So make sure you come back this weekend. Join me for that. I will be posting the schedule in my community page. So be on the lookout for another collab video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure to leave me a comment below. And I love interacting with you guys. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all back here tomorrow for some jewelry. Bye, y'all.